One charger for more devices. Ugreen USB C fast charger has a maximum charging power of up to 66W. The minimum charging power is 5W. Enough to quickly charge your phone, tablet, and USB-C laptop with this charger. Your device could perform handshake protocols and data exchange every 10 seconds to ensure the charger delivers the most appropriate power. High-speed fast charging. Connect a single device to get a 66W max charge, which charges your MacBook Pro 13 from 0 to 100% in less than 2 hours. When you connect two devices, the power is distributed efficiently between the two ports to ensure optimal charging. Safe and reliable. The dual-port charger is equipped with an intelligent chip to protect your devices from short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent, which makes charging safer, protecting your device in all aspects and extends the battery life. Space-saving design. A great companion for your travels. 40% smaller than a standard 65W charger, this USB-C wall charger fits easily into your pockets, bags, and backpacks. And with a foldable plug, you could avoid scratching your other devices. Unique shaped design. Chamfered rounded design, making the product more rounded, with no sharp edges. Surface sparkle pattern process, bringing comfortable hand feeling. Fast charging protocol. Compatible with PD, QC, AFC, PPS25W, 5V, 2, 4A, BC1, 2 and other public fast charge agreement. Note: not compatible with private protocols such as Xiaomi's Turbo, OnePlus Warp and OPPO's VOOC. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome portable charger. Charges my Steam Deck and my phone at the same time. Now I only need to carry one charger. Get a few Ugreen USB C PD cables to complete the set.